So we've seen a 50% retracement this morning in Nifty and also touching the 20 DMA. So I think most probably at this place wave 2 is complete. And we can also consider wave 4 of this rise as a triangle is what I was thinking this morning. So you can even take this structure here as a triangle that more or less solves the problem of this last structure, which may confuse some people. Now I did think the initial move down here ABC is complete. What you're getting is then an ABC x ABC, which is a complex pattern. So it's ABC was there, which is not wrong. All you ended up getting is a sideways X wave, followed by another ABC down here, and so that completes now a complex correction, what you may call a double zigzag. So it's still a corrective pattern so far. What we need to do is hold the lows and probably even close positive, if not today, tomorrow. And a positive close usually helps in confirming that you have that the corrective structure is still in place, and we did not get an impulsive move down. It didn't develop into 5 waves, which would then end up being bearish. So far that has not happened, and we'll continue to watch out for that as the risk for the market. Otherwise, it's a corrective move that should complete. And already yesterday I mentioned the swing was 12. Looking at the day's movements, the swing will probably drop to single digits, maybe 5, maybe 2. Somewhere in that range, and so that's usually a short-term oversold condition for a bounce in any case. But what I'm looking for is the start of a third wave that eventually goes past this high. So that's what I've been watching out for. Only was not looking for a deep correction. I thought 23% would be enough, but now we have a 50% retracement, which has also filled the gap, the island that we had formed in this range between 9,600 and 700, and so that too is filled up. So when we look at the mid-cap index, we see the same thing, a pullback close to the averages. This did not touch the 20 DMA like the Nifty and Bank Nifty, but it's come close to that, and that will remain a watch point. Counts will be very similar. In Bank Nifty, the decline is essentially an expanded flat. So if I go to the hourly chart, okay, we see something like this. So it's taken support on the 20 DMA, very similar pattern on the daily as we just saw. It's come very close to the red line, the 20 DMA, and so that support holding, which is at 19,390 on a live basis, but it's a closing basis level, which means end of the day we need to stay above it, and that should be good. But on the hourly chart, the correction in wave 2 is an expanded flat, at least in terms of the Fibonacci level. So how do you measure that? Wave A and wave B. Wave B basically goes above the high of A, and wave C then is projected to be 161% of A. So I've just used the extension tool, which is there in some softwares. This is Trade Tiger. It's also there in Spider software and Falcon. Metastock, of course, I have to use the retracement tool and measure 161% and project it down from the high. But in this, you can simply use the extension tool, and then it just extends and gives you the numbers. And so 161% was at 19,700 approximately, and so we made a low of just below that in the morning, and have been trying to hold up that level. So holding 161%, it fits the expanded flat structure for wave 2, and we should then be starting wave 3 is what I'm still looking out for. No change in that overall outlook, and 20 DMA usually is what I look as the worst case in these scenarios.